Okay, so here's some tessellation work. What did you do first, Blake? Explain.
Well, I got one of these and start drawing out tessellation.
So what shape did you have to tessellate at first?
Equal angle triangle.
An equilateral triangle. And what did you find out when you made? Which was your tessellation of equilateral triangles? Which one on here is your tessellation of equilateral triangles?
This one.
Okay. And then what did you discover when you made that?
It can turn into another shape like a rhombus.
So, what are those green ones? Two green ones, which are?
Equal angle triangles.
Makes
a rhombus.
Makes a rhombus. And then what did you do based upon that?
I made this.
Yeah, and what's that now? What are you tessellating now?
Rhombus and equal angle triangle.
So you're now tessellating rhombuses and equilateral triangles. Okay. I set you a new challenge now, and that is, what other shape can you tessellate with those two based upon your first tessellation?
Okay.
Off you go. Okay, so you've now figured out a new shape, have you, here?
Yeah.
Okay, so based upon your first tessellation, which was which one?
This one.
What shape was that you tessellated?
Equal angle triangle.
The equilateral triangle. Yeah?
Yeah.
And what did you create now, Blake?
I just created a box.
A box? Which one's the box? Can you point that one out?
That one.
And then why is that a box? It looks like what sort of a box? 3D box?
Yeah.
Okay, but that's what 2D shape have you created?
No.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Well, what things tell you what a 2D shape is?
It's not popping out of the ground. Like,
Okay, so
it's not rising.
if you need to identify that shape, what do you need to look at? If I said to you, what shape is this? What would you say?
An equal angle triangle.
How do you know it's a triangle?
Because it has 3 sides.
Okay, so what about this shape then?
Has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides.
Okay, so if it's got 6 sides, what shape does that make it?
It's on the top of my tongue.
Where can you find the answer out?
On the internet.
On the internet? Whereabouts on the internet?
Will you look it up?
Has anyone on our site explored those?
Maybe. Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. And then what do you think anyway with this shape? If you've made that out of those shapes, do you think that you can then tessellate that with your rhombus and equilateral triangle?
Yeah.
That 6-sided shape?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And you think you could? So you're going to try and do that for us next?
Yeah.
Okay then. Cool. Okay, we're back now. So what was the name of that shape you was looking for?
A regular triangle.
A regular what? What have you wrote down?
Regular hexagon.
A regular hexagon, okay.
Yeah.
And so you now know that what 3 shapes tessellate together on here. What have you got? You went with a
equal angle triangle.
equilateral triangle. Then what are the blue ones that you tessellated second with the equilateral triangle?
Rhombuses.
Rhombuses. And then you discovered what that you could make before you put those ones on. What did this do here?
It made a regular hexagon.
Made a regular hexagon. Why is it regular?
Because the lines are just like the same.
The sides, you mean the sides? Are the what? The same what?
Length.
Are all the same length? And then what have you discovered with your shapes that you had down here? What's this red one you've thrown into the mix? Oh, can you remember?
No.
A what? Well, what did you do with those 2 shapes when you put them together? What could you make?
You can make a regular hexagon.
Makes another hexagon, does it?
Yeah.
Alright, and what did you could put that on top of there, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so that red shape's called a
trapezium.
Trapezium, that's it. So now you know that what 4 shapes can tessellate together. You've got the green one, which is
equal angle triangle.
Yeah.
Rhombuses and
rhombuses. And then you've got this one. What's this one?
Rhombus and
No, what's this shape here? The blue one's a rhombus. What's the shape that you've combined to make?
hexagon.
And then you've made another
Regular hexagon
with Two
trapezium.
Two trapeziums. Awesome. So now, your new challenge is to make a pattern that repeats using all those shapes.
Okay.